This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Eva Hendrick. Beautiful new floor plan with lots of glorious amenities. This 5-bedroom home comes with a large loft area for extra family space, 2 large primary suites, rear entry 2-car garage. Kitchen has an oversized island with granite tops, dual ovens and countertop cooktop range. Space for everything. Lots of closets and storage space throughout. 9-feet ceilings on first floor gives this home an even larger feel. Builder and 2 to 10 warranty included. October 10, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Eva Hendrick at 757-549-2000.